Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can send you invitation on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. LinkedIn is the largest professional networking platform, and there's no doubt that this platform has its benefit with regard to finding work opportunities and growing your network. However, being exposed to so many strangers across the globe can get overwhelming. So you can manage who can send you invitation connection on your LinkedIn. So first, you can open your LinkedIn. Of course, you can sign in or you can log in into your account in your mobile apps. Now you can go to settings by tapping on the up left corner here. Now you can choose on settings. Now from settings, you can go to this. I'm sorry, it's still loading. You can go to data privacy and on who can reach you section, you can select on invitation to connect. By default, everyone on LinkedIn, your invitation will be set to everyone on LinkedIn. It's recommended from the LinkedIn app. But if you only want people who would know your email address or appear in your imported contact list, you can select in here. Or maybe if you only want people who appear in your imported contact list, you can select on this. For example, we just chosen this. So now you have managed, you have changed your invitation to connect on your LinkedIn account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage. You can send you invitation connect to your LinkedIn account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.